At Te Papa, we're rediscovering lost secrets deep inside our taonga. The museum is home to a priceless collection of taonga Māori. The whakapapa of many of these precious items were never recorded.
So in the collection at Te Papa, we have about 30,000 taonga Māori. Of that, less than 10% have provenance. And of that provenance, only a few of them we actually really know where they're from.
So new genomic technologies are really exciting for my field because it means that we can now get large amounts of DNA sequences from these taonga. So things like the feathers and fibres from these objects, we can get DNA sequence from them and compare it to reference sequences from across New Zealand.
Taonga are more than just objects and collections. They're the relationship we have with our environment. They're how we used to live. They're how we used to dress. They're the things that we used to give to other iwi and people. Understanding these taonga and those relationships connects us to these people.
So far we have looked at DNA sequences from harakeke or New Zealand flax from right throughout the country, and it's shown that there are regional genetic differences with these plants. So we can tell plants from different regions of New Zealand apart, which is really a breakthrough for this kind of study. We're hoping that the DNA research is going to enable us to tell the provenance of these items and finally allow us to be able to tell stories about them.
Provenance is more than just where an object's from. These taonga carry the stories of people and where they've been and how they lived and how they've travelled down through history. Connecting these taonga to these people is vital to our identity and understanding. This research can only happen at Te Papa. We have mātauranga Māori, we have the taonga in the collections, we have the relationships with the community, we have the scientists. The time is now. But we need additional funding to make this happen. He aha te mea nui o te ao, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata.